The cosmic tale is our ontologies. My story, your story, our stories. For others, a powerful being directed the course. Some let science control the discourse. Billions of neurons were not adequate to appreciate. Most welcomed the idea through their faith. It is said that it commenced with a big bang, violent and fierce as described by human tongue. Cosmic romantics illustrated it with creativity as energetic expansion of dynamic matters in infinity. It is said that the bang was triggered by four rudiments: fire, air, water, and dust particles. Then came the galaxies, dancing spirally in full vitalities. One of the spires was coined as Milky Way by human race. In here a supernova explosion took place. Gamma rays was released by the stellar explosion. Massive energy set nebula into action. From the nebula the sun was born, sending other debris to rotate on it in a circular motion. Collisions and attractions were the matter's rejoinder. Planets, moons, planetoids, and other cosmic features were rendered. Large gaseous planets were called Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, and Uranus, while smaller ball of rocks were called Earth, Mercury, Mars, Pluto, and Venus. In the surface of the cooling Earth, flashes of light danced with grace, as colorful lights adorned the atmosphere, and hot rubble shoot up from the lithosphere. Aries was brought to life, and in the ocean it thrived without a strife. When Aries learned to engulf its fellow, new breed of life followed. Eukaryote was the term to these new creatures, cells with diverse internal structures. Eukaryotes fuse and form colonies, which pave way to multicellular cronies. Then came the greeneries that flourished, with trilobites and jellyfishes. Plants started to dominate the bare land, home to animals that roamed in band. Vast forests thickened, gang of reptiles exploded. When these large lizard-like creatures perished, mammals swiftly flourished. Then came the human beings, the creatures with emotions and feelings. Together humans form a tribe to strengthen the chance to survive. Then came the age of Neolithic, time when some plants and animals were domesticated. In just a while people learned further and made the world a place of wonder. In various planet corners and edges, various classical civilizations emerged. Egyptians made a mark in Africa. Greeks and Minoans flourished in Greece and Crete. Trades grew in Mesopotamia and Persia, and so with the cities in China. Aztecs and Mayans ruled America, but nothing thrived in Antarctica. Roads were directed to Rome, and people further learned to roam. Then rise the different nations, like Portugal, France, and Spain with vast dominions. England rose thereafter and planted flags of union. The struggle to power of European nations was brought to American soil. Shortly after, Asian nations were foiled. Nations fought each other to control the resources. Planet Earth was damaged and everyone lost graces. Animals that once roamed in the land and seas is nowhere to find except in books and film clips. Forests were denuded, oceans were polluted, Earth was vastly looted. Now we are cramming to save everything. Sadly, some are still sleeping. When hands were shared with each other, human can turn the world better. Big Bang happened for our sake. Our home was created and life was shaped. We will never have stories without the explosion of energy. We are part of the cosmos and will forever be.